Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to make consistent images with Copilot. This is something frustrating a lot, especially when you start a conversation with any AI agent and you start making yourself some images. The first image looks bad, the second looks a little bit better, and the third one looks perfect. And at some point you want to keep the same art style, but you want to generate another scene with the same art style. But the AI always fills you up. So how can we actually make the AI go consistent? The first thing guys that you need to do is to keep yourself in one single conversation. As it is mentioned already in their article here, by using image generation in Microsoft Copilot, you can literally make further requests about a simple style or an image within the same conversation. So this is something that you need to understand. If you made an image style, keep yourself in that same conversation. Do not open a new one. Now, that being said, let's say for example, you have made an image 18 months ago. That's a long period. Well, actually, the Copilot only saves your image style for 18 months, as it is here saved, as you can see. After this time, images are deleted from their system, so the style is basically deleted and forgotten, and you need to prompt it again. So this is something pretty much bad, but yeah, for those who want their images to be as consistent as possible, try to check Copilot from time to time. Just ask him to generate a random image from that style so it can remember it. Other than that, if the Copilot wasn't creating the same style, just ask them this prompt. Write down this prompt in your Copilot and ask them this. Give me a summary about what we have been doing in this conversation so far and about our style that we use. Once you get those two, open a new conversation and then start prompting using those two key summaries and style that Copilot has given you. And yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.